If you're using Shopify as your e-commerce platform and you want to use Blueberry, I would definitely advise you to install the official Shopify app, and I'll show you how to set it up in this quick tutorial. So just go to the official app store of Shopify, click on Blueberry, and then you can install. It doesn't matter if you have an account or if you don't have an account, you can just click on install and it will take you to the setup immediately. So first of all, you need to give the app permission, which I'm going to do right away. I'm going to install the theme, and then it takes me immediately to the Get Started with Blueberry start page. And you can choose to click on either I'm new to Blueberry or I already have an account. In this case, we already have an account. If you don't have an account, you can just click on I'm new to Blueberry, and it will take you to a account setup page where you can pick a plan and just start your 14-day free trial. In this case, I already have an account set up, and I need to do two things. First of all, add the tenant ID, and the second thing I need to do is to enable the app embed. And I'm going to show you how to do those things right now. You can also find it over here. You can find your tenant ID on the integrations page in Blueberry, and this is the account I'm going to use. So I'm in Blueberry right now. Click on integrations, and top right I see my tenant ID, which I can just simply copy and paste over there. Hit save. And next up is the enable the app embed. You can also just watch the video. It's quite easy. So you go to the online store, to your theme. Let me get myself out of the way. You can customize it over here. And again, on the left hand side, you have your app embeds, and then you can hit enable on the Blueberry quiz script. I still need to hit save. And I can go back to the store. Now, if you want to enable one of the quizzes that you've built with Blueberry on your Shopify store, you have a couple of launch options. So if I go into one of my funnels, for example this one, I'm going to click Publish Quiz Funnel and go to the implementation settings. I have a lot of possibilities. For the time on page, which is a small script that you can implement on your page. So let's say I want to, after 8 seconds, I want to launch a quiz funnel on the page, because that's when I think most of my users will have a little bit of choice stress and can use some help by using a product quiz. You can just copy the HTML and add it to the page where you want your quiz funnel to be activated. That's one option. You can also use the embedded option, which implements an iframe. And if you want to use a button click or a link, I would definitely advise you to not use this one, not use the on click function. That's not always supported by Shopify, but use the link click. And if you just go to copy link and go to this, you see that this is the link that you can that you are implementing within, for example, your menu or behind a button or behind a banner or an image. And that's the best way. That's the best way to implement it on your Shopify store. What exactly the Blueberry product quiz is doing, it implements a script that you need to activate the Blueberry quiz funnels, and secondly it implements conversion tracking or performance tracking. So if you receive an order or a purchase and someone has used the product quiz, that information is being captured and is being sent to Blueberry, so you can visualize that within your own Blueberry dashboard, because that's information, of course, that you want to see and that you want to act upon while improving the performance of your quiz funnel and of your store in general. So that's it. That's how to set up the official app. And if you need any help, you know where to find us.